I call these interviews as butterfly effect because once I was reading a metaphorical principle that somewhere in the world, when butterfly flips its wings, other part of the world, the same displacement of air becomes a storm. Management में हमको पढ़ाया जाता है, this is called a Pareto principle. In Pareto principles, what happens is whatever results you get, 80% result comes from 20% of your activities, 80-20 principle. I was searching for my own Pareto principles and effect, and I found when I wrote my book, my life changed. And उतना बड़ा change है जितना बड़ा change butterfly effect में होता है. So I became very happy. I started speaking to other authors too, and I found the similarities. So today we bring Dr. Rashmi Shah. She's doctor. She's done degree from US, and we will speak to her today, and we'll find out why she wrote. A lot of questions I have in my mind, which I'm prepared to ask. You also get your questions ready because you can also ask these questions in the last. Now, let me ask Rashmi, would you like to share something about yourself first? Let us know and all here that what you do, all about yourself.
First of all, I am a fitness and nutrition specialist, and I did my all the education from US. I was working there for 7 years as a weight loss expert, and then from US only I started working for people in India. So I started working online first, and then when I came back to India, and then I started with my own clinic. Then I started with consulting clients physically. So this journey started with my own experience, and you all will read it in the book. It's written why I started my journey of weight loss. I mean, I'm also a part of those people who really want to lose weight and get fit. And that journey taught me a lot, that I was someone that I had degree, I had knowledge, I had money to spend on my fitness and my nutrition and my food, but not everyone around me should have that. And I wanted to do something for them which will be very pocket friendly, very effective, and very authentic knowledge, and without using any artificial supplements or pills and powders. And that is what that made me write this book.
So you started as a burgers weight loss to Golgappa and Vada Pav weight loss.
हाँ, हो सकता है, but yes,
US में burgers ज़्यादा होता है, यहाँ अपने इंडिया में Indian burgers और Vada Pavs and Pani Puri.
No, I am still in love with Vada Pavs, but yeah, that I keep it for my cheat meal. Of course, that's my favorite cheat meal, you can say.
Yeah, okay. So you've been helping so many people. From how many years you've been helping people getting fit?
More than 10 years.
10 years. So कभी कैलकुलेट किया cumulative अर्थ के ऊपर से कितना वजन कम किया आपने?
नहीं, वैसे नहीं कैलकुलेट किया मैंने कभी.
I have something, you try calculating, say I have helped Earth reduce the weight by 1,000 kgs or 5,000 kgs. But it's interesting to know कि दुनिया पे से कितना बोझ कम किया है. But it is very good thing because I personally feel weight loss, because I was fat. I was 108 kgs and मैं ऋषिकेश गया था बंजी जंपिंग के लिए, and they denied. बोला कि your weight, because the rope is old, it may not even take the weight what you're saying, so you cannot do that. And that day I realized कि यार my life is taking a toll and I need to do something. And it's a difficult journey because you don't know the right methods. इतना misinformation है market में, इतना misinformation है कि you will just leave कि ठीक है जैसा है वैसा है. And it is more than a weight, it is confidence. It is self-love. A lot of things are there in the weight loss. So thank you for writing and helping so many people with your book. So you've been helping people with 10 years. So where does this book writing comes into your mind? किताब लिखना चाहिए या कहाँ से आया?
Book writing came in my mind 2 years back, honestly. My group programs were going on. People started reading my post, and a lot of them suggested me कि मैडम आप बहुत अच्छा लिखते हो, you are a very good writer, we really love reading your post, we read it till end, we don't lose patience while reading, so why don't you write a book? I was always a avid lover reading books, all kind of books like Marathi, Hindi, Gujarati, English, 4 languages I read. And I had that in my mind from those 2 years that I should have my name on the book. So it was there in my head from last 2 years.
2 years you've been thinking, right, about. And can you tell participants? I would like to know. I want all of you to know and someday join. Rashmi does group programs. So would you like to share quickly about the group programs you do?
So group programs are basically online group programs. I run it only online. No physical consulting happens, and minimum 100 participants are there, and people from 8 to 9 countries, they participate in the group, and these are like home-based workouts, simple homemade food, motivation, learning, inspiration, fun, and guaranteed results.
Wow. So it's something similar to the kind of bookathon we do for 30 days. Something similar.
Yes. It's quite similar, and I have completed 26 group programs up till now.
26.
26.
Yeah. Wow. कहाँ छुपे थे आप इतने दिन तक हम सब लोगों से? Thank you for coming today. So you've been thinking of writing a book from 2 years, but how 2020 or what happened in 2020 suddenly you became an author? क्या हुआ
So
अचानक
in
से?
2020 May, I was like from January, as everyone makes a new year resolution, I also made इस साल बुक लिखेंगे. अब इस साल में कब लिखेंगे वो नहीं पता था. During March 1st or 2nd week, I guess I started looking for who are the book coaches, book consultants. I mean, how can I write a book? I contacted a lot of people. I asked them, how do you teach? How do you coach? And in this March 1st or 2nd week, I guess we spoke about how what is super fast authors and how do you work and all. बट वो मैंने आपके साथ कॉल हुआ एंड आई सेड ओके देखते हैं, लाइक बाद में देखेंगे, अभी क्या इतनी भी क्या जल्दी है, अभी पूरा साल पड़ा है. बट देन अगेन व्हेन आई हर्ड अबाउट योर बुकेथॉन चैलेंज, देन आई थॉट नहीं, दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच विल put me in the pressure cooker and these people will make me do it. So I said, let's go ahead and complete our dream.
Yeah, I still remember, I think it was 30th April or something.
30th April, yes. 30th April.
मैसेज किया था कि tomorrow the bookathon is starting, would like to join, and I remember, and थोड़ा doubt था, and doubts are good because doubts helps you decide the right path in your life, but you followed the heart and you went for it. And I remember बहुत दिन तक तो आपका मैसेज आता था कि कैलाश मैं अभी सुबह 4 बजे सोई हूँ. So tell us your schedule for 30 days. कैसे लिखते थे आप?
So initially when I started, तो मैं तो पहले रात को बैठ के लिखती थी, बट फिर मुझे समझ में आ गया कि रात को बैठ के लिखना, it was taxing to my mind and brain too, because it was lockdown period, no mates around, everyone was home. And मैं बहुत थक जाती थी, मैं कुछ अच्छा लिख नहीं पाती थी. So suddenly one day I got up at 4 AM and I thought चलो कुछ लिखते हैं 2-4 लाइन. But then from 4 AM to 8 AM, 4 hours continuously I was writing. And that time I understood this is the right time I should wake up and start writing. So from that day, like 3rd or 4th May, I guess, I started writing. Every day at night I used to see your video, give it a thought and go to sleep, and next day 4 AM I started working on what you have taught. And so every day it was a routine. Get up at 4 AM, 4 AM to 8 AM writing, fir baki and do household chores and everything. Again afternoon 3:30 to 6:30 I used to write, then work out and everything, and then at night watching your video and going to bed was my routine for whole 29 days.
Wow, it's inspiring because I also feel early mornings. It could be night also and morning also, but for me also mornings work well, and I also write early morning 5 to 8 or worst case is 6 to 9. That is what I used to write, and I still write on that. It's a good thing to do. Very interesting question I want to ask you, Rashmi, is very interesting title. So how this title has come into your mind. I know we've been discussing about title, but I know you were very clear about this title कि title यही चाहिए. So tell us the story behind the title. To show the book to everyone, so everyone just she has a book here in front
This
of all
is
of
the
us.
book, and the title is In Harmony with Your Hormones. So, first of all, the theme of the book is something is imbalanced, and we have to learn to balance it. If we say like balance and something medical and scientific term, it doesn't click to anyone, not even me. So I wanted something kit title. If somebody reads or listen to the title, it should be a sweet smile on the face. So something I wanted related to music. When we listen to music, rhythm, ye wo, I thought like rhythmic hormones and a lot of like I you know my title brainstorming was horrible for whole month. But then with your hormones was my final कि hormones तो आने ही चाहिए उसमें. And in harmony was a word suggested by my daughter that
Yes.
let's put it as in harmony with your hormones, and it feels like good dancing and
Yes.
music, and it was nice. So it was like 1 a.m. at night. I was sitting with her discussing, but the moment she says in harmony with your hormones, and it was clicked, and that
Yeah.
was final.
Yeah. Okay. And a fitness book talking about hormones. What is the story behind that? Because a lot of people, when you talk about fitness, they say calorie counting and ये खा रहे हो नहीं खा रहे हो. So what about this hormone thing?
See, hormones is something which monitors everything in you, right from your brain to your bones to your skin, hair, nails, everything. I myself is a victim of hormonal imbalances, weight gain, and then losing weight. So in my journey, I understood one thing. If I restrict too much, I'm not able to lose weight, but I'm going more miserable and I'm making people around me more miserable. So that was something clicked me. But when I started studying, then it taught me one thing, that if you balance your hormones, everything falls in place, and then you don't have to go on any restrictive diet, because automatically you don't have any cravings, you don't have any unhealthy cravings, you are sleeping well, your digestion is well, and so the main root cause should be healed.
Wow. So root cause को ही ठीक कर दिया तो automatically you'll get fit.
And counting calories is something I strongly don't believe. I don't have any calorie counter. Like whenever my clients call me, ma'am, आपने diet में ये दिया है, उसके बदले में मैं वो खाऊं. I said okay. I never say no to anything. Even if they ask me, can I eat vada pav today? I said yes. But when I say yes, then they don't eat.
Okay.
Because somewhere they have that stress is off. Ki I can eat everything I want. She is allowing me everything, and they are not stressed. If you are not stressed, your cortisol is in balance and you are eating well.
And will it work for men and women both, or would it
Yes. See, hormones, men, women, we both have hormones. Only predominant hormones are different in men and in women. But the formula of balancing hormones is same for men and women.
Wow.
As we go to restaurant, there is no different menu cards for men and women. It's the same thing. We all have hormones, we all have imbalances, and we have to balance them.
Wow. Beautiful principle. I will ask you, Rashmi, come to the community and teach all of us about your, weight loss, because I started a sessions on contributing to community that I'll invite you soon. But let's focus on book today. I want to ask you one more thing. You've been planning to write 2 years. So how many people knew that you wanted to write? कितने लोगों को बताया था आपने?
No one except my brother.
Okay, wow. And so when you started writing, Bookathon में participate किया, आपने register किया Superfast Academy में. उस समय किसी को बताया कि मैं book लिखने?
नहीं, मैं I just told my husband that I am paying for such course. He said, do whatever you want. And he was like, cool. तुझे जो करना है कर. I mean, I didn't tell anyone in my house except my son. He's 7. He's in 7th right now. But everyone was ठीक है, कुछ तो लिख रही है, कर रही है कुछ तो. She every time writes some blogs and everything. Even I didn't tell my brother. But his birthday is on 16th May. And that day I declared to everyone that I'm writing a book and I'm already done with 4 chapters.
So how was the reaction, everyone? How did they react when they got to know that you are writing? That's all. You're in the process. कैसा reaction?
So my mother-in-law and my father-in-law, they were very happy. because they also read a lot, and they were, wow, I mean, you are writing a book, it's something very proud feeling for them. My parents were like top of the world. My husband was very happy, and everyone, like, I could feel those vibes, chalo hum kuch acha kar rahe hain. So and
any negative emotion कोई मिला ऐसा कि अरे रश्मि क्या क्यों क्या जरूरत थी?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं, just yeah, one of my college friends, she's very close to me, and when I told her that I'm writing a book and I get up at 4 a.m, so she said, मेडिकल की पढ़ाई में भी कभी उठी थी क्या 4 बजे?
Yeah, when you start following your heart, things will start falling in place.
Exactly.
So आपने, और I remember on 7th we generally do an announcement to the world, and I was pressurizing you, Rashmi, announce किया, you know, I need time, and finally you said I don't want to do it on 7th, I'll do it later, and
yes.
You did that. Yeah, I remember. So you were little. What was the feeling which was stopping you to tell this to the world on 7th?
I was not sure whether I'll complete the book or not. I was not sure. I mean, till 20th, 21st of May also, I was not sure. I remember you are frequently telling me, announce karo, but I said, no, I'm not sure. I'm not going to declare anything right now. Let me complete my last chapter, and then I'll announce that I'm writing a book.
And I think you saw your book first time yesterday. You collected from Deepak, right?
A day before yesterday.
So how was the feeling when you saw your own book?
I couldn't say anything for a few minutes. I was just holding a book in my hand and I was looking at it. And it was enthusiasm, mixed feelings, some emotional feelings, a proud feeling, and everything what I worked for up till now. And it gave me that result. And I was like, I myself was amazed that I could complete this project.
Yeah. Okay, so it's very good. And जो जिनको अपने brother के birthday पे बताया था, all family members. So when they saw the book in the family, how was their reaction?
They haven't seen the book yet. I mean, they just saw the pictures. So I'm going to give him this book on Raksha Bandhan. It's on 3rd August. So nobody has seen the book except my family members yet.
So how was in your family? How was your kids, your mother-in-law, father-in-law, your husband? How was their reaction?
My in-laws were very happy. I mean, they could not express in words, but they were very happy to know that I have written the book. And my father-in-law was calling everyone and telling कि मेरी बहू ने book लिखा है and all those. Then my daughter was very happy. So all those things, like everyone was excited. And my
moment for family.
Yes, and my father was very much excited. And the best moment was when my school teacher, when I was in 10th, he used to teach me Marathi. He was my favorite teacher. He called me up after 1994. I spoke to him 3-4 days back.
After 25 years, around 25 years.
More, yeah. And he called me and he said, I'm so proud of you when I saw your post and you are writing a book. And the one thing he mentioned that you have grown up in a very small rural area, medium school, and writing a book in English is a proud moment for all of us, all the teachers.
Wow. So 25 साल बाद, it's an amazing feeling. I have goosebumps at the moment when I am listening to you. I don't know how you must have felt. I can't express in the words also कि क्या feeling आएगा 25 साल बाद आपके favorite teacher का.
I was dancing after his call. Literally, I was dancing. Wow.
Yeah. So let's go a little back. So I remember you've been writing and 30 day complete हुआ है. आपका लगभग complete हुआ था. You left, I think, one chapter was pending. So how was that feeling when the day you put a full stop and you sent the book to us and say, no, Kailash, now I'm done. Now it's you guys' job and make it publishing work and make it. So how was that feeling? अभी आपको तो मुझे काम नहीं करना, अभी तो कैलाश और कैलाश की टीम काम करने वाला. How was that feeling that day?
My first feeling was, now I'm relaxed and I want to sleep for some time. That was the first thing came in my mind. I want to sleep. But later on also, even after I delivered whole manuscript to you, I was having those stress thing going in my mind. will everything happen? I mean, सब अच्छे से हो जाएगा, like grammatical mistakes and spellings and is the content right? I mean, I was reading it for more than 50 or 100 times. I read it even after I delivered the manuscript to you. But after the first manuscript was approved, I was relaxed. Now the thing is actually done and it is good to go. But when I read my manuscript for the first time after it came from you for approval, when I read that, I was on like 7th or 8th chapter, and I had that feeling that I have written a masterpiece.
Wow.
So that was the moment. Suddenly I had that beautifully written. It's a masterpiece, and then I was like completely relaxed that now everything is going to.
Yeah. I remember we had discussion, I think after 10 or 12 days, and you saying कि सब कुछ ठीक हो रहा है ना, मैं research नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं लिखती जा रही हूँ. I said keep writing, because I personally believe when you write in a flow, the word flow is very powerful to me. The flow means someone is guiding you. That's what I. When someone says I'm in flow, am I doing it right? I said, yeah, you're doing it flow. That means someone behind, someone upper powers are guiding you. Don't worry, keep doing things in flow. Whatever you do in flow, it is the God's message. Generally, that's how I take things up, and I understand it is a beautiful. And any other aha moments? I will call this as an aha moment.
Yes, of course.
Any other aha moment in the process other than this?
Book cover designing was a wow moment, not just aha moment. It was a wow moment. First, after like going through 2-3 designs, I was like, Deepak sir, it's not right. And then I was feeling I'm becoming so choosy. Like these people are like being so patient with me. But when the final design came and I saw and I said, this is done, and it was wow.
No, it happens. We have to be choosy because what happens, book का life इंसान की life से ज़्यादा रहता है. And the cover of book is a face of the book. So the face you are creating, which will be lasting for many years, maybe a couple of 100 years from now. So we have to be very, very correct. And that is why I always say cover design is not a brochure design. So a lot of people do brochure design. You need highly expertise people to design the covers. And I'm graceful. I'm very happy that I have a fantastic team who does the fantastic job.
Of course, I mean I have told like 100 people that I'm blessed to have a best publishing team. I don't have to worry for anything. I just have to say yes or no, and they take care of everything. And I was like, super fast means you are super fast. You must be remembering. I have messaged you also that you are leaving to your brand name that it is actually a super fast. It's amazing work your team has done actually.
Thank you very much. So a couple of learnings, because I always say that when people write the book, an author is writing the book, they change more than anyone else in the process of writing.
Oh yes, yes.
What did you learn? Not only about the maybe topic, but what did you learn as a person in the book writing?
As a person, what I learned, one thing is like every day one small change if I do in my life, it's going to give me a great life ahead. Like we always think we have 10 things to do, tomorrow I'll do all the 10 things, but it does not happen. It piles up. But if I do every small change in my life every single day, and that is going to give me a greater results than anything else. I mean, that will give me more self-belief. Yes, I can do it.
Yeah. Keep taking small steps every day, and do not try to jump, but keep taking small steps. It will take you long way in your life. That's another thing I also learned in my life, and I also believe that let's keep taking small steps, and that will help all of us. Any specific advice would you like to give to people who are writing the book at the moment? Because self-doubt is the biggest thing I understand stops people generally. But would you like to give some advice to people who are writing the book? Because a lot of authors are listening to you right now, and they want to know how can they like you one day soon. So what they should do?
First of all, I would like to tell everyone, whatever happens, don't stop. Even if you are not able to write a full chapter or 2000 words in a day, it's absolutely fine. Even if you are able to write one line in a day, you write, but please don't stop. There must be some days in between where you can't think about anything and there is nothing coming up from your head. But whatever happens, even if that line you are not going to take you in your book later on, but don't stop. Keep writing, keep writing. And if you take a big gap in writing, then it becomes very difficult to resume back. So keep writing, you will achieve whatever your dream is. So don't stop, and even if one line, it's fine, but write.
Fantastic. So I also say the same. Don't stop. एक लाइन लिखा तो भी चलेगा, but document खोलो, एक लाइन लिखो, बंद करके छोड़ो. But do not leave a day where you not touch your document. Touch to karna hai.
Yes, absolutely.
And how many days exactly you took to write the book? First draft, not the entire book. Now I know after first draft there are sections and a lot of things we do, but first draft was ready in how many days?
To be precise, 29 days.
29 days. So you 30 days की जगह एक दिन जल्दी कर लिया. Very good. Fantastic. But you know, it's a big achievement because I meet a lot of people. They've been thinking for many years. लेकिन होता ही नहीं है. 30 days is an amazing achievement and you will always remember entire life. Whenever you tell someone also, आज नहीं 10 साल बाद भी बोलोगे ना कि मैंने 30 दिन में लिखा था. It's a very big achievement in your life. And this shows your commitment. This shows your commitment to yourself. Okay, that once you give a commitment, वो ना सलमान खान का डायलॉग, एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो मैं अपनी भी नहीं सुनती, वैसा है. So thank you very much for doing it in 30 days because it is possible. A lot of people are doing it and a lot of authors in super fast author community are doing it, and you become inspiration for all of them.
Yes, and I want to tell one thing to all the budding authors who are doing this bookathon challenge. One thing is always important is surrender to your coach. If you keep on judging or if you become judgmental that if he is telling right or wrong, or you can think about मेरे किसी XYZ friend के coach ने ये सिखाया, उसने उसे वो सिखाया. If you go on that, then you will lose your faith and your surrender, and then you won't be able to complete what you are writing. If you have chosen superfast authors as your coach, then surrender to them, keep complete faith in them, and they will do best for you. But if you yourself are skeptical and if you yourself are keeping doubts and wander in 10 other coaches and compare, then you are losing your energy, your enthusiasm, and your money also. So faith and surrender is must whenever you enroll under someone.
Wow, it's easy. This is a golden word. I also follow it. When I surrender to my mentors, I surrender 100%. I may take time to decide, but once decided, no questions. So we have to follow what they say. Because
Yes, absolutely.
And if you yourself are a very trustworthy person, you will always find trustworthy people in your life. God will send you right people in your life.
Exactly.
And I am very proud to say that I and Rashmi, my first guru who taught me a lot of things was Mahatriya, and I joined him in 2014. But that was the time when my life started shifting around. And I was discussing with Rashmi about Mahatriya. He said, even Mahatriya's, which is a very famous book, if you please go and read, Unposted Letters. She did the editing for Unposted Letters. And it was a proud feeling for me, Unposted Letter ko aapne touch kiya hai, you were part of the process. It's an amazing thing, and I'm proud of you. You are yourself an author.
Thank you.
Not only editing, from first word to last word, everything was done by you, including it.
Thank you so much. And I think that vibes or blessings were coming to me from that time. And now I'm also an author, and it's amazing to, author Dr. Rashmi Shah is something amazing to hear and write.
Yeah, you were a doctor from US, heading author, and soon I hope we all bless you that you become best-selling soon. So if you become best-selling author, then this is the tag, multiple tags you're carrying.
Thank you so much.
what is beyond book? So what is the next plan? So I know you've been doing a lot of things about your book. The way it came little late, but a lot of people. What's your bigger goal in your life? What do you want to do?
So beyond the book, I am going to restructure my business module, and I'm going to kidnap you for that. So yeah,
we
and
discussed about this.
yeah, but yeah, from last so many years, I am following few of my strategies, but keeping my principles same. I'm going to remodule my business, and I'm going to write more. This is motivating me to write more, and I want to. And my next goal is to stand on a TED Talks stage to give a motivational speech about hormones and weight loss.
So we wish you, we all, behalf of everyone, I wish you, bless you that it happens very soon to you.
Thank you so much.
And we'll be very happy because we all are family together. And when you do it, we also become very, for us, it will be a proud moment. One last question before I ask people to ask the question is, do you want to thank few people in the journey of book writing or maybe generally in life who've been helping you, supporting you, pushing you a lot, and they are always stood behind you so things happen. So I want you to tell me both about book as well as life. Who do you want to thank, give gratitude to?
So first of all, as it goes, my parents and my husband, who were the rock solid support. My in-laws were there to take care of house when I was away for work, my kids, everyone. Especially my friends, Nilima, Nishi, and Alpesh, they were emotionally very much supportive throughout this book journey. Every day we used to have con call, and I used to tell them I'm feeling low and I don't think so I will be able to write. They will tu kar legi. So they were very much supportive for this 29 days, and I'm so blessed that everyone come into my contact up till now. I mean, they all are amazing people, and I'm completely blessed. And along with you, I would like to say special thank you to Deepak sir. He had tolerated me a lot. I have been troubling him every single day, whole day. But your team is wonderful, and the way you have coached me, you taught me to think. I had that knowledge, but how to deliver that knowledge through book, that I learned from you, your everyday videos, your all-time support, the way you taught me to complete this journey with on a happy note. And after that, when I was talking to Deepak sir for the first day, I was like, I mean, will I be able to work with this person? But he was amazing. Your team is so amazing that I'm blessed to have such a wonderful publishing team.
Thank you very much. You're being kind. Such a nice way. And thank you. We just believe in that. Put authors first. That's a philosophy of our company. That whatever we do, we exist because you exist. So your existence and your happiness is the first priority. Then everything comes around. That's how we teach everyone.
Yes, of course. And I've experienced that, like wherever I was, my choices were going wrong. You guys were, no, this is wrong means wrong. It was not like कि चलो इन्हें करना है तो करने दो. So it was not money oriented. Like it was completely. You wanted to make a great book through us.
Yeah, great book should come out of you.
And that was something which I felt throughout this journey, and I'm very happy with whatever we have worked together from 1st May till this date. It's almost 3 months, and in 3 months my book is ready. I just don't believe this till now. And tomorrow I'm gonna launch the book.
Yeah, thank you very much. And now let me ask the question. Let people ask the question. A lot of questions are already there. Let me read it for you. But first question, Girish. Girish was saying that book is not on Amazon. Girish, ideally the book is launching tomorrow because we are a close family member. So she decided to talk to us before. So ideally she's launching tomorrow, but we are into a pre-launch session today with Rashmi, and we are the first people she's speaking about because Superfast Authors family is talking to us. Tomorrow is Rashmi's birthday, so we all wish her tomorrow happy birthday. And
Thank you.
she's launching the book. She's given a beautiful gift to herself, and this birthday would be most memorable birthday because when you do something for yourself, it is an amazing. Thank you for doing it.
So I have taken a rebirth as an author.
Yes, yeah. So you're a 1 year old tomorrow. No, you're born. You're
Born as an author tomorrow.
Delivery कल होने वाला 3 महीने से तो आप you are in stomach now. Tomorrow is a delivery.
Yeah, I'm taking birth as an author tomorrow.
Yeah. Next question I will take from Sujata. Sujata is asking how you wrote, on copy with pen or on laptop or with dictation.io.
No, I just wrote it in words. I mean, I was not comfortable in Google Docs also. I was comfortable in Word. So initially my typing speed was very slow, but then I picked up.
So I Microsoft Word on the computer. Type.
Yeah.
Sujata is saying your book cover is fantastic. Thank you, Sujata ji. Sachin is saying book writing is life-changing process. Yes. Satish is saying wishing you very healthy. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Great success. And you can ask questions. I'm just searching for questions right now. So Badresh is asking, how are you launching? Any specific platform? How are you planning to launch your book?
Actually, I would have loved to launch it in a grand way, but due to this pandemic and the situation is going around, it will be a simple, only family members. I'll be launching in my office, and I'll post the video and pictures on Facebook. I mean, no jazzy things I'm doing, just keeping it simple.
Yeah. No, but I commit to all of the authors who are writing. Maybe you already become an author, but I commit to all of you. I don't know how will I do it, but I'll commit that when the pandemic situation goes better and we can do offline programs again, I will do an author program where all the authors can come together and display their, they'll be on the stage, they'll be talking. It will be an offline event from my side to all the authors in community. And
Wow.
multi-city. So ऐसा भी नहीं है. And you want to participate in multi-city, I'm open. So I will do all big cities in India. Let's go together and rock the world.
Wow. I'll be waiting for that.
Yeah. So we all are waiting for that, and only let's see. Nishant is also writing on health. Nishant is saying best gift you gave on your birthday. Satish ji is asking what are your marketing plans for the book?
Honestly, I haven't thought anything up till now because I had 100 copies initially printed and all I've sold off.
Yeah, all are sold off. I want to post the link in the chat box also, Rashmi, if it is handy, because I want everyone to, if anyone want to buy your book in the group, they can also do.
I will check.
Or maybe post in a Telegram group. We have a Telegram group.
Sorry?
In the Telegram group also you can post.
Okay, I'll post in the Telegram group. So I'm happy that I'll be printing the second edition soon.
Yeah, so very happy to announce her book is launching tomorrow. But she's already sold 88 copies to be precise.
Today, I mean, up till today, 94.
94. So 94 books are already done. And now we printed 100. Only 6 are pending. So we have to do it again.
Yes.
Quickly reprint it again. Next question is from Giriji. Were there any specific target that you kept each day? What was the word count of your book each day?
First, initially I went with the word count to complete those words. But as I started writing and I actually got in the flow, I just flow with the flow. So there was a day when I have completed one chapter in a day, or there were days when I have completed one chapter in 4 days also. So, but yes, completing minimum 1,000 words was my target, but I always performed beyond 1,000 words.
So minimum 1,000 words she targeted, but generally it was more than.
Yeah.
Sujata ji is asking, did you do pre-launch? Yes, Sujata ji. She did do pre-launch, and you will also get instructions in the academy when there's a specific day when everyone has to pre-launch. Also get that instructions and the process also. How do you pre-launch? the entire process. Any other question? Ask on. Any question? Let me see back if there are some questions. कोई weight loss query? वैसे तो रश्मि चार्ज करती है, अभी पूछोगे तो फ्री में बता दें.
अरे क्या sir?
I'm just kidding. Ask anything. I'm saying you can ask anything if you want. And anyhow, Rashmi is a part of a community. She's part of the Telegram group. You're also there. She's there. You can ask her things in the Telegram group also. The meaning of family is that we all are together the journey. And as Superfast Author works, we don't leave hand once the book is done. The journey starts when the book is done. Actual journey starts. So we'll be asking Rashmi's. So Rashmi, you got to start advising whenever you get time on the book journey where people get stuck. And definitely, I'm going to ask you for a session specifically on your expertise of inch loss and fat loss for the community.
Anytime.
Nishant is asking, what is the book size in terms of the words and the pages?
So it's 8.5 by 5.5 and almost 190 to 200 pages around. And word count I don't know now because it went increasing and I was targeting a 150 pages book, but it ended up with 200 pages book.
I remember it is not exact number, but it was 29,000 some there. So it is around 29,000.
Yeah, around 29,000 maybe.
Yeah. Shamir ji is asking any specific challenge you face that you would like to share. Any challenge you face in the book writing process?
Yeah, in between, like after 15 days I started, I was feeling saturated. I was feeling tired, I was feeling saturated, and I thought I just can't write anything more than that. But one thing was sure, I wanted to complete this. So I wrote what came in my mind. It was not related to the chapter, it was not related to the book, but something which I had in my mind related to weight loss, I kept on writing. Because of that, I didn't feel guilty that I have spent my day without writing anything. So that was my target. No, there should not be any day which goes empty without writing.
Yeah, I also believe that some days you would like to write, some day you won't like to write because there are some other challenges comes in life because of a lot of things. But you got to follow the rule. You got to touch the book every day. कुछ तो लिखना है रोज, छोड़ना नहीं. Then Manvinder is asking, I would like to be part of your group programs. So whenever you announce the group program, let the company also join. Yes,
you can follow me on Facebook. I keep on announcing programs. Then you can be a part of it.
So Manvinder, you can follow her on the Facebook. Whenever she announces, as this is online program, mostly are on Facebook. Girish is asking, our bookathon is launching tomorrow. We do bookathon every month. So tomorrow is 1st August. We are launching a bookathon for birthday. And our creative hormones plus for 4 months. He's asking your good wishes for the bookathon people for participating in this book.
Thank you so much.
Shamir is asking any advice that you would like to give to budding authors based on your experience.
Just surrender to your coach, listen to what he says, he teaches you, and inculcate every word what he teaches you in your book writing without being judgmental. And that's it. Once you surrender, your project is half the way done.
Wow, beautiful. Thank you for saying it. I also believe surrender, when you surrender, indirectly you increase trust on yourself. And you know that someone's strong powers are behind you who are supporting you. So yes. you believe in greater powers than you. And that's how the life changes.
And we are not alone. Like there are a lot of people are with us in this group. So you can ping Kailash ji anytime if you have any query. You can follow what people are posting in group. So that keeps you motivating every time when you feel demotivated. And if you feel demotivated, then watch some movie, do some time pass for 1 or 2 hours, and then just sit for writing again.
Yeah, I love listening to music. So
Yeah.
I just put my headphone on. I listen to half an hour nice music. I have a playlist on my mobile which inspires me. I just listen to that.
I
Uh,
sleep. Whenever I'm low, I sleep.
I also sleep today. Unique thing happened. I was sleeping. I saw a movie on Abdul Kalam, and afternoon I got tired and I just went for a cat nap. I take cat nap for 20 minutes, and suddenly he came into my mind. How can you sleep? The dreams does not happen in sleep. The dreams does not allow you to sleep. And
Exactly.
I came back and started working again. So I know a lot of authors are counting on me. I have to supporting everything. So Badreji is asking, are you planning to print your book in other languages like Gujarati?
Not the Gujarati, but maybe Marathi and Hindi. I have plans to print because I got a lot of messages and a lot of requests that is this book available in Marathi. I myself is a very good Marathi writer also, so I'll only do the Marathi translation. Hindi
Yeah.
I don't know, but Marathi I'll do for sure.
So Hindi and Marathi is in the plan.
Yes.
Satish ji, and I wish that the demand becomes so high that you translate all Indian languages. So,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
and Satish is asking, will you launch ebook?
Yes,
Yes,
it's
it is the
launching
plan. We
tomorrow.
will launch ebook.
Tomorrow only we are launching ebook.
Ebook also.
Yeah.
Sujata ji is asking, when did you first enroll with Superfast Author?
30th April.
30th April she enrolled. 1st May she started the bookathon. 20th May she finished the draft. And then there was a lot of processes in between, and the launch is happening tomorrow. Any other question? It is 8:50, so we'll finish in 1 or 2 minutes if there are no questions. So I would like to thank every one of you who joined today with me and Rashmi to share the success and happiness what Rashmi is getting into life, and that is all about the family. That one person is happy and excited, we all share happiness with Rashmi. I want everyone to bless Rashmi that she get a lot of success in life. And thank you everyone for joining this interview today. And we see you again on next Friday with the next author. I would like to thank Rashmi for sure. I know tomorrow is a big day for her, and she still got some time today spent with us, shared her journey, shared her knowledge, shared about the book, shared about the weight loss, a lot of things she shared. And it's a nice thing. So thank you, Rashmi, for joining and giving the time.
Thank you so much for this opportunity, and thank you so much for motivating me right from first day till today. And I'm blessed. I have mentioned it so many times. It's my dream came true just because of Superfast Authors. Otherwise, myself alone, I wouldn't have been able to complete this book. But it was a dream come true. When it's your birthday, you are completing your dream. Your book is in your hand. You are launching it. And Superfast Author has a big role to play in it. And I'm really blessed to be in your connect.
Thank you very much. It's a collective dream. It's not your dream, Rashmi. It is my dream.
Yes.
So it is a collective dream. We have saw it together. So that is why I keep pushing people. Sometimes I become pressy also, I know. But पर मुझे झुंझलाहट होती है अगर काम नहीं होता.
Nice. And all the authors, budding authors, keep writing, and you will complete your book very soon. And I'll be very happy to see your interview be there in the chat box. And I'm really waiting for that day. And I know you all will be writing an amazing book. Wish you all the best. Wish you a lot of success, peace, happiness, and health.
Thank you. Sujata, there is one more question from Sujata saying, I would like to listen to your content. I would like to listen content of your book from you. So Sujata, as I said, we ask our authors to come and talk to all of us. So I will ask her as per her timing. We decide a time and invite her talking only about the book and weight loss, because it could be a common topic and a lot of people be struggling to lose weight, and we can listen to her, and later we can go ahead and talk to her, and she can help us lose weight too. So we'll do, because we are all together. We all are expert in our own field, and we are together so we can help each other in our own fields. Okay, so let's be together. Thank you everyone for joining. Thank you all participants for joining. Thank you, Rashmi.
Thank you.
And, keep seeing you in the group. Be active there, and
yes, of course.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Chalo, bye bye everyone.
Bye.